Hello Kolkata Kitchen Champ is an innovative reality show presented by Hello Kolkata, three-dimensional news, events, promotions and films. Conceptualized and directed by Ashish Boshak, Hello Kolkata Kitchen Champ revolves around cooking skills and passion and achievements of a particular individual. The shooting usually takes place at Hello Kolkata Forum, IS 60, Sector 3, Salt Lake. On 8th May, Hello Kolkata Forum was enlivened by the presence of Shongita Das, a multi-talented cultural personality associated with various cultural organizations. Shongita is the cultural convener of Lions Club of Kolkata Magnates and a potential member of Hello Kolkata. She is also attached with different high-profile organizations including Mother Earth Foundation, Straight Talk, and different socio-cultural welfare organizations. She runs her own enterprise, Gobindas, a popular food chain in South Kolkata. Being a popular extrovert lady and a perfect team member, Shongita has excelled in different stages across the city. She has also won wide acclaim for her recital and singing skills. First day first shoot of Hello Kolkata Kitchen Champ featured this wonderful affable personality, Shongita. During a free-flowing interaction with host Ashish Boshak, she first explained the recipe of her cooked items, achar and keema egg devil. Hello Kolkata live at Hello Kolkata Forum. We are live with Shongita Das, Lions Club of Kolkata Magnates Honorary Cultural Convener, and we are starting our Kitchen Champ, Hello Kolkata Kitchen Champ with the perfect champ Shongita Das. Shongita ম্যাডাম প্রথমেই ধন্যবাদ আমাদের হ্যালো কলকাতা ফোরামে আসবার জন্য, আর নিয়ে আসবার আপনি একা আসেননি, এসেছেন দুটি অসাধারণ গিফট নিয়ে আমাদের সকলের জন্য। একটু যদি আমাদের দর্শক বন্ধুদের এই গিফট দুটি বুঝিয়ে দেন কি কি আছে।
এটা এখন যেহেতু আমের সিজন তাই আমের আচার বানিয়ে এনেছি, আর এটা হচ্ছে চিকেন দিয়ে ডিমের ডেভিল।